regarded with magnetic building systems. You know, the MBS system is not only a unique system, but also very simple to install, be it floors, walls, even ceilings. You know, today we're going to retrofit an existing sheetrock wall. Now, while that underlayment is loose laid on the floor, today we're actually going to adhere it to the wall with contact cement adhesive. First step is simply to take your underlayment and cut it into the sections needed to install on the wall. Since I'm dealing with an 8-foot wall, I'm going to make these sections about 3 inches over. The underlayment itself cuts very easily with a sharp knife. One thing that's very critical and very important about when you're installing your underlayment is make sure that you get the proper side facing the product. You see, only one side of the underlayment is actually magnetized. The easiest way to double check this is take a piece of the product and put it on the underlayment. If you have a hard time moving that product on the underlayment, that's your magnetic side. If for some reason you see that the product is actually sliding around easily, that is the wrong side. You may even want to take, especially being how we are going to be putting this on the walls, using an adhesive. That means I'm going to be rolling them up, flicking them over, putting the adhesive. Just to kind of be safe, I'm going to write on my underlayment simply this side up. Alright? That way I won't get confused as I'm moving the sections around. So let's get started and spread some adhesive. As with any surface, be it you're installing on a floor or a wall, always proper floor prep is important. So again, what I've done to the wall, I just took a simple scraper, kind of went over a little bit to make sure it was flat and smooth. You don't want anything protruding through the wall that could perhaps, go actually through the product you're going to install. Once again, we're going to use contact cement. Best way to do that is just take a paint pan and a paint roller, just like you're painting the wall. Again, using contact cement, you make sure you spread the adhesive not only on the walls, but also on your panels. What you'll want to do is go ahead and just hang the panels as you glue them. That way the glue is still a little soft and gives you a little bit more room, just in case you need a little bit of movement. Obviously, you'll need at least 2 people to hang these panels. Okay, make sure you got enough up top. You got a couple of extra inches. Yep. Okay, I'm on the line here. You on the line there? Yep. Close enough. You also, just for added security, go ahead and place a few nails just at the top of the panel, just until your glue completely cures. Trimming in the underlayment is very easy. The magnetic underlayment cuts very easily with simply a sharp knife, be it a utility or carpet type knife. And there you have it. Now this wall is an inset. We're actually insetting a very unique design into this wall. That's why we had actually taped off the sides and just did these main 3 panels. But this is basically our base layer. From here I could install any product I wanted on there. Be it LVT, wood, stone, you name it. So we'll do another video and I'll show you the very unique design that we're actually going to install on this wall after the fact. Thanks for watching.